So once you done got the starter out, next step, you're gonna take the bolts out off the take the bolts out the transmission mount, the engine mounts, and there's 3 of them. So you got these 2 right there. Those are 15 mils. I put those 15 mils on top of these 15 mils, so that way I can't lose them. So just take them out of here. And then the next mount is in the middle of the car. The next mount is right here. Where these hoses at. Take them 15s out them hose. You see they gone. There. And right there. So take those two 15 millimeters out on the bottom of these hoses only. Then after you take those 15s out, set those 15s aside somewhere where you can't lose them. Next, you're gonna come over here, take out the 21 millimeter bolts. That's the 21. You're gonna take those out. That's from the shock. Once you take that out, come back over here. Also, the whole point of taking those mounts from the bottom over here and the bottom over here is so that way when you drop the subframe like that, that'll allow. So when you drop the subframe, the subframe will come out of those holes right there. This part right here, it'll start sliding down, and then that way, that's the whole point of the engine support bar. Because once it comes out of here, that's it. That's why you gotta make sure you take them from out of here and not from up here. It's just easier just to, and you know every time the motor's gonna line up perfectly. You know the motor's gonna line up perfectly when you drop the subframe back in. Cause then look, the motor's gonna line up perfectly because this engine mount right here, that right there, the engine mount, it's gonna fall on those 2 holes. And if it makes sense, it's gonna fall right through, and then that's gonna make the engine straight again. That's why we're doing this. So the next step, you're gonna go down to the subframe. So you come over here, take your 18 millimeter. Take your 18 mil. Right here. Take that 18 out. Come over here. Take this 18 millimeter out. Take that one out. Don't be confused. This is the first mount, remember? You noticed the first mount's smaller than the second one? So the smaller one goes on the front, the larger one goes on the back, so you can't get confused. Next step, get your 11 millimeter. You'll come in here. Let me zoom up.
It's 420 somewhere this April, and that somewhere is Starbucks and Emerald Fields.
That 11 millimeter. That's the steering wheel knuckle. So basically, you're looking at it from right there. You're looking at it You can have a long extension or whatever. So once you take the first, my bad, get your jack. Stop it. Stop. That's why the subframe is in the same place it is, because it's a jack stand. So make sure you take that 11 millimeter out. And once you take that out, next video we're gonna start dropping the subframe. You're gonna see it start dropping down. Let's go.